Hello children, welcome back to Hindi class. Today in our chapter, we will see the emotions in a letter. Before that, can you tell me what is our duty for our country? Name some freedom fighters. In this chapter, a letter is written by our freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose. He went to get education away from his house. By seeing the condition of our country, the teenage heart of Subhash Chandra Bose was troubled. He wrote many letters to his mother. The ideology of Subhash and the concern of the country's condition and the humility is clearly visible in this letter. So here we will see what points we can learn in this chapter. पत्र लेखन, देश का परतंत्र, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, सुभाष के विचार और देशभक्ति. In this chapter, we will learn पत्र लेखन, देश का परतंत्र, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, सुभाष के विचार और देशभक्ति. लेखक परिचय. इस कहानी के लेखक सुभाष चंद्र बोस. सुभाष चंद्र बोस का जन्म 23 जनवरी 1897 को उड़ीसा के कटक शहर में हुआ था. ये भारत के स्वतंत्र संग्राम के अग्रणी क्रांतिकारी नेता थे. इन्होंने आज़ाद हिंद फौज का गठन किया और भारत की स्वतंत्रता के लिए प्राणापण से जूझते रहे. इनका स्वर्गवास 18 अगस्त 1945 को विमान दुर्घटना में हुआ माना जाता है. He was conscious of the vices of the countrymen like selfishness, inferiority complex towards labor, lack of stamina, etc. In this letter, there is a clear explanation of country's situation, the countrymen's humility and the condition of the present generation. In this letter, he served the country by sacrificing selfishness from the people of India, expected to get involved. He himself wants to spend his whole life in the service of Mother India. So children, I hope you are clear with this topic. We will meet in the next session. Till that, take care.